Yo, yo, yo. Hey, I'm Mark Buckner with the Mark Buckner Group at Compass, and I am here to present 925 North Euclid to you. It's a beautiful home on my block. I love it here. Come check it out with us. Beautiful stately door. Awesome foyer. Lots of vintage charm, detail intact. Here, we are having professional photos taken as we speak. Functioning fireplace. Check out these windows. Beautiful dining room. All new Marvin windows. Best of both worlds. You have radiant heat and space back for central AC. Lovely kitchen. And check out this super charming bathroom. And you get a huge primary bedroom. Once again, beautiful Marvin windows, replacements throughout, and a luxurious walk-in closet. Three full bedrooms on this floor. And your second full bathroom. And then come on downstairs for an awesome family, an extra half bath, and plenty of storage.